In this scenario, I have 5 customer shipments, A through E, moving from the East Coast to California. The first shipment, E, will be delivered to a cross-dock by carrier number 1. Carrier number 2 will pick up shipments A, B, C, and D. Then he'll stop at the cross-dock, load E, and continue to the final deliveries. Let's go to Revenova and create this in a freight plan. Right. Starting in my list view with those 5 loads that I'm going to plan using the freight plan console, I'm going to select all of the loads that are going into the freight plan in the freight plan console, and then I'm going to click freight plan. This will bring all of those loads into my freight plan console. The first thing I need to do is add in that cross-dock or that warehouse facility. So at the top in the header, I'm going to click on the pencil right under the freight plan templates name, and then I'm going to click plus on the add stops. I'm going to type in and select my warehouse facility. And then once I have that facility, warehouse, cross-dock, what have you, populated in the field, I'm going to click on the refresh. This is going to add that cross-dock in my freight plan console. And then I'm going to click on this X to hide that panel. The first thing I'm going to do is plan the one load that is being picked up and delivering to the cross-dock, going on carrier 1. So I'm going to select the pickup and then drop down on my cross-dock or that intermediate facility and click new load. Select the mode. I could insert any other available data here, but for time's sake, I'm just going to click save. The next thing I'm going to do is plan those other 4 loads that are going from the East Coast or Atlanta all the way to their final destination. So I'm going to select all 4 of those, and then I'm going to go over to one of those rows and click new load. And then again, I'm going to click save. And this is going to put all of those loads on one carrier. I do have one pickup here, and then we're making those 4 different deliveries. The last thing I need to do is make sure that I'm adding in that pickup at the cross-dock to my second carrier load. So this load or shipment has been delivered. I'm going to select it, and then I am going to drop down, and instead of clicking on new load here, I'm actually going to add it to that existing load. So my second carrier load is L7. I select L7, and then we're going to see that stop added to this freight plan.